If your extensions are grayed out in Premiere Pro, here's a quick way to fix it. The reason why extensions might be grayed out and unavailable is that they might not have the permission to run on your computer. This post from the Adobe forum summed up this problem very well. Some extensions get false flagged for security risks, and to bypass this, hit the Windows key and the R at the same time, type in regedit, and now expand the software folder and then right-click the Adobe folder. Click New, then click Key, and name this folder with this exact word. Pause the video if you want, and next, right-click this empty area on the right, click New, then click on Dword 32-bit. Now double-click it and add the number 1 to the value. For Mac users, just open up the terminal and copy and paste this exact phrase from the description. Another reason why extensions are grayed out is that Premiere doesn't recognize the installation of any sort of extension in the first place. Open up the Creative Cloud, make sure it's up to date and well synced with the Premiere Pro app, and try to install an extension automatically from there, if you can find it there of course. If you cannot find it inside the Creative Cloud, download it from its official website and install it using the interface it comes up with, and make sure you can find it inside this exact Adobe directory after the installation has been completed. And if you cannot find it here, try installing the extension again. I made a detailed video about how to install extensions that you can check out. Anyways, please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and feel free to watch this next tutorial.